Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will explain FortiGate ADVPN architecture using simple hub and spoke topology. We will show you how the VPN tunnels are formed and how to verify the tunnel status. So on the live screen you can see I have one hub firewall, one site 1 firewall and site 2 firewall, and I also have the Windows VM Linux machines to verify the connectivity. So first I will explain the topology. So here we have one hub FortiGate. So on the live screen you can see first three are the hub FortiGate firewall. The hub acts as the central point where all spokes initially connect instead of creating multiple static VPN tunnels between every branch. ADVPN allows dynamic shortcut tunnels between branches when traffic is detected. So live screen I will show you you can see here there is the hub and spoke topology, and you can see here is the shortcut tunnels form. So basically this reduces latency and improves application performance. So let's look at the topology diagram. Hub firewall in the center, spoke 1 on the left, spoke 2 on the right, and spoke 3 on the right. IPsec VPN tunnels connecting both spokes to the hub. Initially all traffic passes through the hub. Later ADVPN can create direct spoke to spoke tunnels automatically. So now let's move to the FortiGate GUI. Under VPN monitor we can see both IPsec tunnels are up. So check via CLI command. So command is get VPN IPsec tunnel summary. So you can see here is the 4 tunnels are formed, and you can see here is the total status, what is tunnels are up or not, send receive packets. So this command shows detailed tunnel information including encryption and tunnel parameters. So this is the command diagnose VPN tunnel list. So you can see here all the information including encryption and tunnel parameters also. So in the next video I will show we will configure BGP ADVPN using loopback interface and see dynamic route exchange between hub and spoke. So I will show you. Here is the get router info BGP summary. So currently I have two 10.2 and 10.3 neighbor which is connected to my hub firewall. So if you want to see the what exact configuration need for the ADVPN and BGP over loopback, so please subscribe to my channel. So if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more FortiGate technical labs. So next video will be related ADVPN BGP loopback live configuration. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching my video.